Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. This is Althaf for Entremets Cooking Academy. Today I will going to make for you the very best and the very delicious street food that's called churros.
Come, let's see how to make. Take the fan and keep on the fire. Add 250 ml water, 80 gram of butter and add 10 gram of sugar. Let to boil. If didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon to all. The water and butter bring into boil. Add flour 180 gram and pinch of baking powder. Mix well and make a nice firm paste. If finished nice paste, add to the bowl, leave to cool. In the meanwhile, take the 100 gram of brown sugar and half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Add to the bowl and mix well and pass through to the blender and blend it. If blend the sugar, don't be a powder. Take the 3 beaten eggs and add the gradually to cold paste and beat well. If you didn't have any beater, you can beat with spatula. Finish the egg and beaten well. Take the piping bag and fill to nice firm mixture and pipe onto the plate. Do like this. If finished, pipe onto the plate. Freeze to 2 or 3 hours. After 2 or 3 hours, take the fan, add the oil and keep onto the fire. When heated the oil, take out of the freezer, cut into the equal pieces and deep fry it. If you want to do quickly, don't want to the freeze, you can make on that time. Pipe onto the directly heated oil and fry it. Fried into the golden brown and passing through to the sugar and coating well. If finished that process, take the ganache with piping bag and fill into churros. This is how to make a churros. If you have any questions and doubts in this recipe, please comment to the comment section. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will come back to another recipe. Thank you. This is Althaf from Entremets Cooking Academy.